Good morning, you look tired.
I am tired. I don't want to get out of bed today.
Me too. It's very dark in the mornings now.
Yes, I wake up at 6:30. I look outside. It's pitch black. My brain says, "No, this is night, not morning."
I know. How long do you stay in bed?
I press snooze 3 times. So 45 minutes.
3 times? Not bad.
Not bad? Jake, I work from home. My desk is here. My bed is here. Very close.
And you still can't get up?
My bed is warm. My room is cold.
Do you have heat?
Yes, but the heat is slow. It gets warm at 8 or 9.
That's bad. Cold room, warm bed. You can't move.
Exactly. What about you? How do you get up?
I have to get up. School starts at 7:30.
But how? How do you do it?
I put my alarm far away, on my dresser, not next to my bed.
Far away?
Yes. So I have to get up. I have to walk to turn it off.
That's smart. Does it work?
Most days. Some days I turn it off and go back to bed.
So it doesn't always work.
It works better. Before, my phone was next to my bed. I would press snooze without thinking. I just pressed it automatically.
I need to try that. The faraway alarm.
Yes, try it. It's annoying, but it helps.
How long is your morning? How much time do you have?
1 hour. I wake up at 6. I leave at 7.
1 hour? What do you do?
Shower, get dressed, make coffee, eat breakfast, pack lunch. Many things.
Do you eat breakfast every day?
I try to. If I don't eat, I'm very hungry at 10 o'clock.
What do you eat?
Quick things. Toast, cereal, yogurt, nothing special.
I don't eat breakfast most days.
Really? Why not?
I'm not hungry in the morning, and I want more sleep.
But food is good. It gives you energy.
Maybe, but sleep is important too.
Winter is hard.
Yes, very hard. I'm tired all the time.
Me too. I sleep enough, but I'm still tired.
Yes, I slept 8 hours last night. Still tired.
It's the darkness. The sun goes down at 4:30 now.
I know. I finish work and it's already dark outside.
Same. I leave school and it feels like 9 at night, but it's only 5.
It's bad for your brain. My body thinks it's bedtime at 6.
Yeah. And then you can't sleep at your normal time.
Exactly. So I'm tired the next morning. It's a bad cycle.
Very bad cycle. So what do you do? How do you make mornings easier?
I prepare everything at night, the night before.
Like what?
I pick my clothes. I prepare my coffee maker. I put my vitamins next to my water.
Does it help?
Yes, in the morning, I don't think. I just do things. Easy.
That's good. No thinking in the morning.
Yes, my morning brain is terrible. I can't make decisions.
True. I stand in front of my closet for 10 minutes just thinking.
Yes, so I choose clothes at night. One less problem.
I should do that. What else helps?
Coffee. Lots of coffee.
Of course.
But I make coffee first. I wake up and make coffee immediately. Then I can do other things.
Do you have a timer? Does the coffee make itself?
No, but I want one. That's amazing. You wake up and coffee is ready.
My sister has one. She loves it.
I believe it. What do you do to make mornings easier?
I take a hot shower right away.
Right away? When you wake up?
Yes. The shower is hot. I get warm. I wake up. After the shower, I'm ready.
I shower at night.
Really? Why?
I like dry hair in the morning. And it saves time.
That's good. You get more sleep.
Yes, every minute is important.
We both want more sleep.
Because winter makes us so tired.
Do you know sunrise alarms? Special alarm clocks with lights.
Sunrise alarms? What are those?
They're special clocks with a light. The light gets brighter slowly, like the sun coming up in the morning.
Oh, I see those in stores. Do they work?
My roommate has one. He says it's very good.
How does it work?
A loud noise wakes you up fast. The light wakes you up slowly. It's nice, more natural.
That sounds good. Better than my phone alarm.
Much better. And it's like a fake sun. Your brain thinks the sun is coming up.
How much do they cost?
Maybe $30 to $50. Not expensive.
I want to buy one. I need help.
Another thing, I open my curtains right away in the morning.
When it's still dark?
Yes, a little outside light is better than just my lamp.
My curtains stay closed. My room is next to the street. People can see inside.
Oh, that's a problem. But maybe open them when you get ready, then close them again?
Maybe. I can try.
Do you have blackout curtains? Very thick curtains that stop all light?
Yes, they help me sleep.
I need those. The street light outside is very bright. I can't sleep well.
Buy them. They're very good. My room is completely dark now, even in the daytime.
Good for sleeping.
Yes, but bad for waking up. No light comes in, so getting up is harder.
Oh no, that's a problem.
I know. I want dark for sleeping, but I want light for waking up. I can't have both.
Winter problems.
Yes, big winter problems.
Can I ask you something?
Sure.
How do you stay motivated? You work from home. You don't leave the house.
What do you mean?
You don't go to an office. You can stay in bed. You can work in your pajamas.
I do that sometimes.
Really?
Oh, yes. Sometimes in winter, I wake up, open my laptop, and work from bed for 1 hour.
Does your boss know?
He's in a different time zone. He doesn't know.
That's great.
But it's not good. When I work from bed, I don't really wake up. My brain stays sleepy.
Yeah, I understand.
So I try to get up and go to my desk. Maybe I'm still in pajamas, but I'm out of bed.
That's better.
Yes, small steps.
Do you get dressed later?
Usually by 9 or 10, I take a break, get dressed, brush teeth.
Better late than never.
Exactly. That's my rule. What about you? Do you ever not want to go to work?
All the time, especially in winter.
How do you do it? How do you go?
I think about my students. They wait for me. They need me there.
That's nice.
And when I'm at school, I'm okay. It's just the first hour at home. That's very hard.
The getting ready part.
Yes, everything is harder in winter. Even easy things, like brushing teeth or making breakfast.
Yes, my brain is so slow.
Me too. I stand in the kitchen, look at the coffee maker, and forget what I'm doing.
Me too. I walk into a room and just stand there.
Winter brain fog. When your brain feels foggy, not clear.
Is that real?
I think so. Less sun affects your brain, makes thinking harder.
That makes sense. I feel foggy in winter.
Me too. I forget things more. I can't focus well.
Do you do something about it?
I take vitamin D now.
Does it help?
A little, I think. My doctor says many people need vitamin D in winter. We don't get enough sun.
I should take that too.
Yes, it's good and cheap.
Where do you buy it?
Drugstore or grocery store.
I'll buy some. I want to feel less tired.
Also, I go outside at lunch, just for a little time.
When it's cold?
Yes, just 10 or 15 minutes. The natural light helps a lot.
I never go outside during the day.
Never?
No, I work inside. I eat lunch inside. Sometimes I don't leave my apartment all day.
Emma, you need sun.
I know, but it's cold, and I'm working.
Just 5 minutes helps. Just step outside.
You're right. I should try.
You'll feel better. Believe me.
Okay, I'll try this week.
Good. It makes a big difference.
What else do you do for motivation in winter?
I make plans with friends. Like this. Meeting you for coffee.
That helps you wake up.
Yes, I have somewhere to go. Something good to do.
Oh, I understand. If I have nothing to do, I stay in bed longer.
Yes, but if I'm meeting someone, I have to get up.
True. Friends help. Social pressure is good.
Yes, whatever works.
Can I tell you something embarrassing?
Sure.
On weekends, I sleep until 11, sometimes 12.
Really? So late?
I know, it's bad, but I'm so tired during the week.
So you sleep more on weekends?
Yes, but then I feel bad. I waste half the day.
Why do you feel bad?
It's already afternoon when I wake up, and in winter, the sun goes down at 4:30, so I only have a few hours of sun.
That's frustrating.
Yes, I wake up and think, okay, I have 3 hours. Then it's dark.
Do you feel rushed?
Very rushed. So I'm trying to wake up earlier on weekends too.
How is it going?
Not good. I tell myself, tomorrow, wake up at 8. Then tomorrow comes and I think, just 1 more hour.
Classic mistake.
What about you? What time do you wake up on weekends?
Around 8 or 9. I don't work, but I still wake up.
Really? Why?
I don't know. My body is used to it. I can't sleep late now,
That's good. You're consistent.
I guess. But sometimes I want to sleep late.
You can't?
Not really. I wake up at 6 every weekday. So on Saturday, my body wakes up at 6. Automatically.
Even without an alarm?
Yes, it's annoying.
I want that problem. I can sleep a lot.
Do you use an alarm on weekends?
Sometimes, if I have plans. But usually I just wake up naturally.
At noon.
Yes, at noon. Don't judge me.
I'm not judging. Everyone is different.
What do you do in the morning on weekends with all that extra time?
I go to the gym sometimes, or clean my apartment, or read.
That sounds productive.
It's nice. The morning is quiet. Nobody texts me. Nobody needs anything. Peaceful.
Maybe I'm missing something good.
You should try. Wake up early one Saturday. See how you feel.
Maybe, but I really love sleeping.
Fair enough.
Do you think our routines will change when spring comes?
Yes, definitely. When it's light earlier, everything is easier.
I can't wait. I miss the sun.
Me too. Spring and summer mornings are much better.
What's different?
Everything. The sun is already up when I wake up. Birds sing. It's warmer. I want to get out of bed.
That sounds amazing.
It is. Winter mornings feel like punishment. Summer mornings feel like a gift.
Only 3 more months until spring.
3 months? That's so long.
I know, but we'll survive.
We have to. We can't hibernate like bears.
I wish we could. Just sleep through December, January, and February.
And wake up in March, when everything is green and warm.
Perfect.
Too bad we're not bears.
Yes. Too bad.
So what's your plan for the rest of winter?
I'm going to try your tips. Put my alarm far away, get vitamin D, go outside during the day,
Good plan.
and maybe buy that sunrise alarm clock.
Do it. I think it will really help you.
What about you? Any changes?
I want to prepare things at night, like you do. It sounds like it saves time.
It does. You should try.
I will. We can check with each other, see how it goes.
Deal. We'll be winter morning warriors.
Winter morning warriors. I like that.
We can do this.
We can. Just a few more months.
Just a few more months.